Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is November the 14th. It is Monday morning, off to a brand new week here. And this is my live recorded session here of me trading the E-mini S&P 500. And we're going to be looking to see how much money we can profit today using the scalping strategy that I use pretty much every day while during the time that the session is actually open, surrounding supply and demand. So everyone that been following the channel for a while knows that I scalp the markets pretty much every day. It's the same scalping strategy, one that I've been using for many years, and it's all kind of centered around, or is centered around, supply and demand, guys. I'm not a direct support and resistance style trader. I look for the aggressive areas in the market where the market kind of moved away, where there's a lot of buying or selling that took place. So that's what I focus on. But anyways, again, we're going to see how much money we can make or how much profit we can make today. And using the scalping strategy, just centered around, all around supply and demand. So let's jump right into the video intro and we will get started. So if you're someone that's new watching the channel today, a newcomer, new to trading, first-time viewer here on the channel, go back and watch yesterday's video. Yesterday's video was very insightful. It provided a lot of good content. In reference to, maybe you're kind of scratching your head and saying, oh, okay, what does he mean about the scalping strategy that he uses surrounding supply and demand? Go back and watch yesterday's video, because yesterday's video walks through and breaks the actual strategy down. I mean, that's just not the first video where I explain the strategy that I use. I have lots of videos on the channels, guys, that to where you can, one, either see me live trading, meaning my live recorded sessions. Two, you can also, I have plenty of video content surrounding how I trade and explanation of surrounding supply and demand and the scalping strategy that I use. So I'll break it down in detail for you, and it's pretty simplistic. It's just a matter of going back. Don't try to rush into things. Don't try to jump over videos, whatever the case is. You have to go back and watch the videos, guys. You have to watch the content and spend some time. I'm not going to sit here and spoon feed anyone in a case. I mean, you're going to have to put your homework in the same way that I did and everyone else here on the channel. When I say channel, I mean the Discord channel, because we have a great Discord channel as well, which you can find out in the description portion of this video. It's free of charge. But you have to spend time, guys. You have to spend time learning. All right, so what I like to do first off is always look at my higher time frame. And one thing we can definitely see is that the market has been pushing up, pretty hard to the upside since the middle part of October. You can see the market making these swings, basically making higher highs and higher lows. Pullback's pretty significant here, and then continue to push to the upside, breaking structure right here. So, that's what we're doing right now. We're just making structure making new levels and new highs and lows as price continues to push higher. At the close of Friday, we capped out, made this high sitting up here around 40.10, and right now price is pulling back. But we had a swing here, pull back, a higher low, and making a higher high. So me, honestly, my bias right now and looking at what the market is actually doing, I'm long. I'm more long biased than anything, because we broke some major areas of structure as price was making this, swing to the upside. So we got this massive channel to the upside right now off of the higher time frame, the 60 range chart, and you can see that. Look at that. See, price breaking structure here, here, behind this video right here, or the webcam here and here. So I'm long biased, to be honest with you. I'm not really interested in taking any shorts, unless I can capitalize on maybe a counter trend trade, taking a short, but that's very short term, very short lived. So that will only happen if I kind of notice it, a good setup in the market based on a lower time frame chart. So right now my bias is more long than anything. So I'll be looking for pullback entries to key areas of supply or demand, key areas of demand. And right now we just tapped into and just kind of hit it off the 60 range chart. I'll draw it right now. This push up here, pullback, breaking higher, aggressive buying came out of this area right here on a swing to the upside here. So we have demand resting right here, and what you just saw was price a moment ago pull back to it and hit it. So we could continue pushing higher here. So you know that right now I'm looking for more long entries. So we'll look at the lower time frame, because so once I've marked my key area of supply or demand off of a higher time frame chart, I scale down to just a time frame chart or a chart lower than the higher time frame chart. So right here, I think price tapped at 74, was it? Let me see. Yeah, 74 and a half. So this is what price tapped into, that area right here. So it's bouncing off of it right now. And typically what I like to see now is either price being already at a area of demand as well on the lower time frame, which it looks like, yeah, which it is. It just bounced off of it. So that was a long right there. Got confluence on both ends. There was a area of demand sitting right here. Let's mark it right here, in which I wasn't in the market at this time. I'm not in the market trading. I was actually explaining, starting the video here, for the content for you guys. But anyways, yes, price. I had two means of confluence, one off the 60R and one off the 12R. So just wait for the rejection and go long. So we'll see what happens now. Price did start to make. If you look at the, in comparison to the higher time frame, you can see price making lower lows and lower highs now on a channel to the downside on the lower time frame. So it made a low right here, turn back around. Let's see here. So now it's broke a little structure right here. So what it could do is come back down to this area right here, and possibly we can look for a long, but it'll be probably very short-lived because you'll have resistance right above us. But yes, this was a key area of demand sitting right here as well. So key area of demand. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens, what price is trying to do. The market actually opened up. What did it open up at? Somewhere in this area right here. So we haven't had too much going on this morning quite yet. So I'm going to see if we can capitalize and get into a few entries or trades here in a short bit. But right now, the market is just moving sideways. So I'm going to stand down at this moment. So price is currently at the near the point of control for today. You can see it here on the daily profile. So I'm resting right now. I'm not going to take an entry until I see a better opportunity. So let's see what happens here. We're so close to the point of control right now, so to be honest with you, I'm really not too interested in trading this area. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. I'm looking at my 12 range right now, just slightly. Okay, I'm going shorty. 87 and a quarter. Yeah. Hopefully get a slight break here to the downside. It's iffy right here. Okay. Come on, baby. Very risky what I'm doing here. I didn't get the candle really close to the break to the downside, so I'm waiting to see what the market's going to do in this area, I should say. Yeah. Probably need to play this a little more careful than I'm doing it now. I'm going to scalp this area, to be honest with you. Yep. I'm just going to scalp this. Come on, baby. So I'm just scalping. Okay, we should come a little lower here. I'm not sure. I'm going to possibly take out here because I don't like what price is doing. Come on. It's pulling back. Come on, baby. Pushing higher now. Yeah, gotta be careful here. Come on. Put it right there. Tricky entry because we have the VPOC sitting right below us. Come on. I want to see it break below 90 and a quarter. Meaning close below it. I think it's going to come back down and test the VPOC at least. Look at that. Come on, baby. All right, it broke. I think it's going to break lower now. Nope, nope, nope. Don't do that. I'm going to stand strong here, or hold this trade here. This is a very kind of iffy trade because we're so close to the PLC for today. I think it's going to come down though. I may go ahead and take. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit here because it's the way it's kind of just piddling around. And like I say in many videos, if it's not moving quick enough for me in a certain direction, I go ahead and get out. Look at it. It bounced one right off my daggone TP on the second contract here. Go ahead, feel it. There we go. All right, we're out of that trade there. I'm gonna just wait for the next setup because we have the VPOC sitting right below us, and I know it's probably gonna come down where I wanted to get out at. Look at it. See where I had my TP at? I had my second contract was sitting right here. So it's okay. I knew we had the VPOC sitting right there. I knew price was tested. So we're just waiting for the next setup. All right. So our trade was accomplished there. Market started to push a little higher. And I already mentioned to you now earlier that the market is more so in a bullish direction than bearish right now. But that was a short for me because I saw the opportunity where price pulled back to this key area of supply resting right here. And I was just looking to take it back down to the VPOC for today, the daily POC. So I'm gonna mark that area. This was an area of supply sitting right here. Price rejected it, and I took it back down. This area here is an area where the VPOC was on the daily was at. So I'm gonna kind of draw an arrow right here because that would have been my true exit point right there. Right there. Let me draw this green line. I always like to do this, guys. So this is right around 87.5 or 88 is where you should have got out. And that's probably right around the VPOC. Yep, 88.5. So, yeah. So now price is boom, boom, boom. Approaching the highs from Friday. All right. So let's take a look at the 12 range that we have sitting up here. So one trade in, I'm not even sure what I got off that trade, to be honest with you. Yep, here it goes. Today's the 14th, guys. Okay, 11. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh, I need to grab the chat. No profanity. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. I'm kind of interacting with the Discord community now, guys. So the market continues to push a little higher here. I'm not sure here. Let's see. Yeah. Nope. I think I'm going to hold off here. I'm not sure what the market is going to actually try to do here. We'll wait it out. I'm not sure 100% what the market's trying to accomplish. Yeah, I better wait. Market can bounce where it's at now, so yep. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what the market is trying to do right here. It's kind of moving sideways here at the tops here. Again, this is Friday's high, so I'm just gonna kind of holding and sitting tight right now. This was a long down here. I missed that long here. That was would have been a good run right here. That was at around about 9:50 this morning. But I was in the process of really starting my video up this morning, so I'm gonna wait. Sure, let's see. Yep. I'm going short. I'm late. I'm looking for the market to come down lower. I have to be careful here because the market can bounce where it's at. Yeah. Gotta be careful here. I'm gonna scalp this real quick. Okay, I'm just scalping real quick. It can bounce where it's at, so that's why I'm scalping real quick. It can come down. It could come. Well, this is support right now, so we have to be careful where it's at because it can bounce here and then continue pushing higher. So, yeah, this is actually some demand sitting here too. So, let's see what happens right here. Scenario demand. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure what's going to actually. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna stand down right now. I'm kind of waiting to see what price is going to do. I'm pretty sure it's at the VPOC again. Yeah, we're close to it. So I'm going to wait. Pulling back to the PLC right now. Wait it out here. This could be it. This is the actual area of demand sitting right here, guys. But it's not. It's already been tested, but it can still reject this area. All right, I'm long. quick scalp long. Actually, yep, come on. Looking for it to come up a little higher here. Come on, baby. Okay, I'm gonna take out right here. Play this a little safer. Looks like the market already hit this area one time. Ah. Come on, baby. I don't think it's quite done yet. I could be wrong, but come on, baby. Don't do that. Push up. Push up. All right, I'm gonna take out here. I'm not sure. I was looking for it to come up a little higher here. Ah. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Ah. It's not what I want to see. I'm going long. I'm going to scalp this. Teetering around because it's so close to the V-pot, guys. That's why it's doing this. Look at it. Not even giving me a point. I know it wants to go up. There it goes. Go ahead. There we go. Got filled. All right. There we go. Good trade. All right. Yep. So I went long there at 94 and got in a little bit early. Okay. All right. All right, and it's probably going to run up here to probably around 97.5. Okay. There we go. See it? I'm typing that on Discord right now, guys. Price. Yep, went long. I said price pulled back to the demand on the 12-hour rejected and went long. I'll put that out on Discord, guys. This is why I'm interacting with Discord and I'm trading, as well and recording this video. So I'm doing 2-3 things at one time. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that trade was good. I was expecting looking for it to run up to this area here, but I got out a little earlier because price kind of pivoted around this area here, pulling back and forth. And I said this many times again, if price doesn't quickly move once I'm into a trade, I'll go ahead and get out because I like to see price move when I get into it. I know it's going to pull back a little bit and then do its thing, but when it kind of just back and forth, then I'd rather get out and then wait for it to make its move and then get back in than sit in there, just sitting in a trade and then it starts to come back against me. So we'll just wait and see what happens here. All right, so you can clearly see This is a supply area right here, and I didn't even catch it the first time, guys. So price came up here and tapped this area. It came back here, so that was supply. I missed that trade, guys. Definitely missed that trade. That was a short right there. Right here, this was supply. I'm gonna draw it. Boom, right there. Missed that trade. Yep. But yeah. Supply. I missed it. Missed it. That would have been a short. You see, even in a bullish market, you can take shorts if short term if you notice the areas of where areas of supply resting on a chart or whatever the case is. But as it stands right now, yeah, I'm gonna hold off. Hold off for right now. I'm short. Just scalping real quick. Come on. Just going for a quick little scalp. Price can probably push a little lower here. Let's see here. Come on, baby. Yeah, I was just looking for a quick little scalp. I'm trying to get filled with 2 contracts just to come back down to this area right here. I know that price, let's see here. Yeah, it can bounce here, so I'm gonna just quick little scalp right here. So this was supply. Let me fix this box. There was supply sitting room. Price rejected this area right here. There was supply right here, and I should have taken that entry right here short. Let me take a look. Yeah, I should have went short right here at the close of this. I'm gonna move this box out of the way. I have this red candle right here. At least try and take it back down to this area right here, around 4,000, and price continue pushing lower. But going short right here, you know, getting in at, you know, right here, and then taking it, at least trying to take it down to 4,000 and holding it out to the bottom of this area of liquidity, and the back end of this area of support right here. Okay, but this right here, this was an area of supply here. I didn't take it. Missed a few entries today, but you know, sometimes you got a lot going on, like I'm doing, recording video, making this content, as well as trying to explain trades, communicating in the Discord, or engaging in the Discord community. You're gonna miss things, guys. There was supply right here. On this pullback right here. Let me fix this right here. All right, so price can bounce right here. Got to be careful because this is support right where price is at. So just gotta stand. I'm gonna stand down at this point here. Try to get a few couple. I'm just scalping. I'm using the scalping strategy that I use. I am trading off of just one chart, the 12 range. I mentioned this before. You know, people ask me all the time. You know, can you trade off of just one particular chart? You can. I do not recommend trading a very low time frame or low, low time frame chart. Even though I don't use time-based charts, guys, I don't say low time frame. I just mean when I'm using range-based charts, I mean anything lower than a 12 range. I would not just strictly just trade right off of, say for instance, the 4 range directly without having some means of direction or bias of what the market is actually trying to accomplish. You know, but in this right here, when you use slightly higher time frames, you can trade from them. You know, I'm sitting here basically marking off areas of supply, and I mentioned earlier in the video that the market is bullish, making higher highs and higher lows, looking at the higher time frame, you have a better option or opportunity to look for pullbacks to areas of demand and go long. So, but I'm scalping. If you're a scalper, you can scalp for several ticks and get out. You know, there's plenty of setups. But right now the market is in a wedge, and if you look at it, you can see it's in a wedge right here. It made this high here, it pulled back or retraced back, and it's moving within this leg right here, so it's wedging. So be careful. So I'm just going to wait and see if price is going to break out of this wedge right here. I mentioned there was a short right here, base back down to this area here. It came back up, reject this area if you get it closed below. What am I trying to say? Close below pretty much 4,000 in a sense. You can take it short back down to this area down here, which is support at. So I just scalped it real quick. I knew where I got in at. Price could bounce actually right here, so I just scalped real quick. But it's in a wedge right now, so I'm going to wait to see if it's going to break lower, it's going to break higher. Not 100%. We are testing. We've already tested and rejected the highs from Friday, and it'll be interesting to see what it's going to do from here. But I mean, the market hasn't done much. I mean, we just got, since the market actually opened, it pushed up a little higher. It pretty much made a low here, a pullback, and then push a slightly lower here, then turn back around, start making higher highs and higher lows, retesting Friday's high, and just wedging right now, building volume in this area right here. And I would think that we're probably at today's, close to today's VPOC. So since the market's actually been open today, we've been kind of ranging or moving around the POC for today, kind of just right here in this area. That's it. Haven't gotten away from it too much. Yeah, you can even see on the 4-range chart, the market is just ranging in a wedge. So similar market structure, wedging here. You can see it wedging on the 12-range as well. Trying to see what's going to happen here. The market's going to push. What it's trying to do here, I don't know what it's trying to accomplish. It's just wedging. Not sure yet. I'm late. Very late on this trade. Yep. Okay. Looking for it to come a little lower here. Come on down. There we go. All right, I'm out. Quick little scalp entry there down to this area right here where it's bouncing at right now, 97.25. All right. A few trade entries today. Picking up just a quick 48 ticks right now. I've been trading for about an hour now, a little bit over an hour, just a little bit over an hour. And so that was price coming back to this area, supply rejecting it again. Look for price to come back down to this area right here where it bounced at now. So if you got in at the break, you're sitting pretty much where price is breaking, trying to break below 4,000 again. You can take it back down to at least 97.25. Again, this is scalping, guys. So there it goes, pushing a little lower now. So that was a solid entry right there. All right, and I may try to take one more trade. Not sure yet. I could be done. I kind of want to break over 50 ticks today on the ES, but you know, we'll see. And I'm only trading 2 contracts when I enter. Okay, I mean I could trade a lot more contracts. I'm just comfortable in trading. Always been comfortable trading 2 contracts, and I just slowly build an account. I mean, I'm not worried about my account. I could trade well over 10 contracts and a whole lot more than that. But it's just, I'm comfortable with trading 2 contracts. I mean, I'm not a greedy person. I don't, I'm able to put money away, whatever the case is, and just watch my account, slowly grow. So, let's see. Yeah, it's still wedging here, but that was another short right there if you got into it, okay? Kind of waiting to see what price is doing here. It's back down here in this area of demand sitting right here, but it could close right here. Break below this area here, meaning then it's breaking below a level, checking out structure right here if it does, but so far it's bouncing away from that area, so I'm not sure. Yeah, so I'm not going to take an entry right here to even risk anything because we are dead smack in a wedge close to the POC down here. You can see it on the 4-range as well as right here, kind of smack in this major area of volume right here. It may push back up here to 97 and a quarter, 97 and a half. But I'm not going to risk it. I'm just going to stand down. And I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and close this video here out just as well, because market's moving sideways right now, kind of consolidating. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the Discord if you guys are interested in joining our Discord community. We have two channels, the general chat and the trading floor. General chat is if you're interested in talking about topics surrounding the future markets as a whole. Maybe you're a newcomer or a new trader. Maybe you have questions. You can come over to the channel, to the Discord channel, click on general chat and ask your questions there. Share information pertaining to the future markets only future markets. And if you want to join us on the trading floor Monday through Friday, that's where we share what you can see here are our entries, zones, levels of interest, things of that way. We kind of talk about those things, or not so much talk about them, but kind of display them and share that information and put it out there on the community, on the trading floor, so that other fellow traders can understand or see, entries that we as traders have taken. And so it's also kind of like a learning tool in a sense too, because you get to kind of, see areas where people traded at. Like I placed a chart here showing an entry I took today, as well as a screenshot here showing why I took that trade there. Area demand, breaking a candle here, I went long. So, it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you're interested in joining a great solid team of future traders or fellow like-minded traders, come over and, join us today. All you have to do is find the link down in the description portion of the video below, click on it, and invite yourself in. Outside of that, guys, that's pretty much all I have. I think I may have two or three member shout outs to give, so let me go ahead and jump into that. I do have two additional members that just recently joined. I'm going to go ahead and give them a shout out. If I say or misspelled your name incorrectly, I'm sorry. But I'm going to say Exin Sun or Zen Sun, however you want to say it. It's spelled Xinsun. And then Javan, Jivan 926. Thank you guys or gals. When I say guys, I'm not talking about in reference to any specific gender, just guys in general, just meaning, everyone collectively as a group. But I thank you guys and gals, I'll put it like that, those that have just recently subscribed to the membership program here on or through YouTube. The tiered membership program is for individuals that are interested in supporting the channel, as well as you do get perks and rewards. So if you're interested in joining, all you have to do is click on the join button from the homepage, and you can choose one of the tiers. You have the loyal channel supporter and then the elite channel members tier. Most everyone has signed up for the elite channel members tier, and the reason why is because they love the two things: the members, the shout outs, but the bigger perk and the most exclusive perk is where you receive the trade breakdown. So when I post those videos, which are made private or exclusive to the elite channel members only, what you receive are the trade breakdowns, to where I break down in detail my trade entries. And I think a lot of people actually, I guess it helps them learn in a sense. They can understand, why I took those trades. Kind of get it, behind the scene or closed door understanding my thought process. Because I explained in detail what led up to my trade entries and why I took those trades. Just to kind of be self-explanatory so people understand and can grasp the understanding of not only supply and demand, but the scalping strategy I use coupled with supply and demand. So if you're interested in joining and becoming an elite channel member, or maybe even the loyal channel supporter and supporting the channel basically for a price of a cup of coffee a month, guys, the elite channel member, for one, those that are elite channel members, you already know, and that's the reason why they're signed up, because they love the trade breakdowns. They love the opportunity to be able to get an understanding of my trade entries, and it helps them, I'm sure, in their own trading. I mean, lots of individuals who have signed up over in the Discord, and even on the YouTube channel, have commented thanking me for the trade breakdowns, because it in some way has inspired them and it's helped them in their trading as well. So I appreciate everyone who has joined one of the tier membership programs. Thank you for supporting the channel as well. So, but that's all I have for you guys today in this video. It does look like price is breaking a little lower, so let's take a quick look here right quick before I do close this video out to see what the market is actually trying or is doing. and it looks like price is breaking back to an area of demand right now. So yeah, let's wait and see if possibly we may get a stab here to go take an entry here. I'm not sure. We might be able to. We'll see. We will see in a moment. We will see in a moment. I don't know. This could be short-lived though, so if we even get into a trade entry here, because we'll see. I have my eye on where I know price may try to bounce at if I get into this trade. And I believe we're kind of centered around the VPOC as well, so oh yeah, look at there. The daily POC. We'll see. It could continue breaking lower here. Yeah, we have areas of demand sitting right below us. We have, okay, it's breaking lower now, so we have to be careful here. Trying to break lower. There's demand resting right here. It is tested already because price pulled right back to it when it broke higher here. That aggressive buying right there, price pulled right back to it. So there's no gap here, but that does not mean that price can't reject here. So we'll see. I'm just going to wait it out to see what price is trying to do here. If I don't get to a trade here, I'm going to go ahead and close the video out and try to get this uploaded so you guys have some content to watch today. Looks like it may try to break higher and break lower here. If it does, then I'm just gonna stop my trading for today for right now, this morning session, and look to see what happens this afternoon. Well, okay, let's see. I would prefer to see a candle close here to the upside. You might not get it though. It's trying to, but it hasn't done it. It's not full rejection for me. Not enough confirmation at this point. Price is just pushing and pulling. It looks like he's trying to break lower. Yep, broke lower. All right, so see? And you got to be careful here now. Yeah, I'm not trading right here. Nope. Not to say that you can't push up, but no. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out, guys. Maybe I'll do some trading this afternoon, but that's all I have for you today in today's video. Hopefully you guys found some value in the content today, watching me take a few trades, and as I went through my explanation just as well, talking about the, explain the rundown leading up to, my trade entries, what I was looking for. I did take some counter trend trades, whatever the case is, and you can do so if you know what you're doing. But to me right now, looking at the higher time frame, I would be focused on long entries just because of the market, structure, whatever the case is. Been bullish the last few days and breaking through major areas of structure. Now, price could actually come back down to this area here. This zone right here. There is a zone here of demand area sitting down here that price could come down to. So, but that's all I have for you guys. I appreciate those who are currently watching the video. If you don't mind, please go ahead and drop a like on the video. Hit that thumbs up button for me. If you're a first-time viewer, we'd love to have you on the team. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. So please make sure to click on the red subscribe button down below. Click on the bell. Make sure to turn your post notifications on so that you never miss one of the uploads here on the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and trade safe.